Gerald Chambers. Hey, this is a hot take. I was just looking at Mark Lamont Hill, and he was interviewing a psychiatrist, a trauma specialist, African American sister. Great interview. And her name was Dr. Alana Curry. And I'll put the link to their conversation in the description below. But I thought it was a pretty good interview. And what they were talking about is Kanye West has made an apology to black people and Jewish people for his behavior. And I thought I would just do a hot take on it and talk about it from the perspective of a recovering person and also a therapist. But I thought that the interview that the two of them were having was a very good interview. I just want to give a little bit different perspective on just kind of one aspect. Kanye's making an apology. And so one of the things about recovery is that that's something that we set out to do. We set out to clear up the wreckage of our past. And we don't call it an apology. We call it making an amends. And we see it as being different than making an apology. Like when you hurt someone, everybody knows you're sorry. And amends is a little bit different. And amends is where you actually go to the person that you harmed and you acknowledge that you harmed them, and you actually ask them to tell you what would make it right. You ask them to give you an idea of what it's going to take for you to repair the damage that you've done. Different than an apology. Now, the reason why this is important is because I think we're at a place in our country where we need to know how to do that. We need to talk about that more because our country damages people, our politics damage people, individuals in our society damage people, and we need to know how to fix that. We need to know how to recover from that. So that's why I'm talking about it. And so, Kanye has done some pretty terrible things. And they're debating, in the interview, they're talking about whether it's mental illness or whether it's trauma or, trying to identify and discuss why they think he did some of the things that he did. And it really doesn't matter. In one sense, if I hurt you, it really doesn't matter why I did it. I hurt you. After I repair that, then I can spend the rest of my life trying to figure out what the motivation was. But the main thing, I got to stop hurting people. I got to stop doing stuff that is harmful. And so, and then an amends is different in that I don't just say I'm sorry. I repair the harm that I did. So, Kanye is making this apology at kind of a funny time because he's got some products coming out that he needs black people and Jewish people and everybody to buy. And so there's some question as to how sincere he is in all of this. But I really just wanted to focus on an amends and what an amends means. An amends is more than an apology. It's not simply saying I'm sorry, because once again, everybody knows that you're sorry if you do something wrong, that you're sorry, no good, blah, 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 right? And, I had a guy tell me one time about 20 years ago, he's not here anymore. In the ninth step, we make amends wherever possible, except when to do so would injure myself or the other person. And we try to clear that stuff up. We find the people, we find the bodies, and we go get in front of them, and we work with our sponsor to figure out what's the exact nature of the wrong that I did. And I find the people and go get in their face and say and ask them if there's some way that I can make an amends. And I get what I need to do from them. I don't go to them and tell them I'm just sorry and leave it. All right, so the thing about that is, like I was saying, a guy told me a long time ago, when you get to the ninth step, you just might be fooling around until you have to put some money down, until you have to actually come out of your pocket and pay people back for the money that you stole, or you have to make some financial restitution. You just might be, as he put it, bullshitting. Okay, so that's interesting. That's the difference between an apology and an amends. We actually have to put some work and effort into figuring out what would make it right, and we get that from the person that we offended. So I just thought it was an interesting conversation that they had. I thought it relates to recovery. I think that this is something, and you know, the United States has a reparations that they need to pay black people. That's the other reason why I'm bringing it up. And that's the other reason why I'm trying to help you, especially you guys in drug treatment, because for many of you, you have a chance, we have a chance to get reparations in our lifetime. That's one of the reasons why the current administration is attempting to erase the history. We've been damaged, and there's a precedent for reparations. Many groups have been paid, including slaveholders. And so while Kanye says slavery was a choice, it absolutely was a choice. But it wasn't the choice of the black folks. It wasn't the slaves' choice. And so, and we deserve to get made whole for the losses that we sustained then and that we continue to sustain. So this whole notion of making amends, of making it right, is big. I'm glad he's saying he's sorry. You know, everybody, if you hurt somebody, you need to not only say you're sorry, you need to amend the situation, including the United States. You know, I'm going to do a separate video about that, about reparations. Yeah, and how that whole how reparations affects therapy, how reparations affects your mental health. A lack of reparations affects your mental health. How a lack of reparations may be contributing to your substance abuse. I'm going to do a video about that. So, like I say, I'll put the link to the night school interview in the description below, and I want to encourage you to take a look at it. And you know, if what I'm talking about makes any sense and you are getting any value from this, go to the description above my landing page for Heart Connections, and you can make a donation. $2, $3, $5, $50, $100, $500. And I can get a teleprompter or some new cameras or something like that so I can make better videos. Well, I'm trying to talk about what matters. I'm really trying to focus in on what matters. That's all. And I need your participation. Get down in the comments. Let me know what you think. Let me know what situations are going on in your life that you need help with. And let's talk about it. Let's do something about it. Let's recover. Until next time.